What is up, guys? It's your boy Jaden. And look at this. Look at this blizzard. I'm gonna open the window. Look at it. It's windy. Shoot. Yo, these are some strong winds out here. That tree right there, it looks sketchy. I was snowing right here. Oh, look at this. There's a car packed there. Oh, look at you. It's so cool. Yo, these seriously are some strong winds out here. I don't want to drop the phone. It is freezing cold out here, and I'm here, and I'm like, see, you hear this strong wind. Yo, look at the trees. Look at the trees. Oh, shoot. That's so scary. That's really scary. Like, sticking my head out, and it's like, wait, yo, look at this. Like, do you know that feeling when your hand feels hot, but it's actually cold? This crazy blizzard. This is some crazy blizzard right there. Yo, some strong winds. I'm scared that those trees might fall off the building. I'm scared. And you can't find those cars because their license plates are hidden by the snow. So thank you, snow, but this is a crazy blizzard right now, so it's scary. Like and subscribe, turn notifications on, and hope this blizzard will stop. See, I hear the alarm coming off from fire station. So like and subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll see you later. Oh shoot, that's scary.